So Baisch Engineering has a long history with Little Rapids Corporation. The machine that was rebuilt recently was moved in to Shawano in the late 70s, early 80s, and Baisch Engineering was the integration engineer for that project.
I started on the Little Rapids project in December of 1979. The unique thing about the project was that they were relocating this tissue machine from New Jersey. That in itself was a challenge. And what that meant is building structure and all the foundations and so forth, they had to be installed in the same exact place as they were in New Jersey. But then of course we had to design it to the Wisconsin standards and make sure everything fit.
In the initial Little Rapids project, I started working on some of it back here in the office. When they were doing the relocation, it was more or less going over the documentation to see what was available to make sure that there was enough there for the contractors to work with to be able to take it apart and bring it in.
During the engineering work, we basically had one field trip out to New Jersey to look at the machine. Now remember, the documentation of the existing facility wasn't all that great. Somehow we did it, you know, which always seemed to be the way. You know, somehow we would just always get the job done.
Now we skip ahead to this year, and Baisch Engineering is fortunate enough to do the integration engineering for the new machine. I think the thing that makes this project stand out for Baisch Engineering is the fact that we were involved from the beginning through the end. We had the opportunity when this was just an idea in somebody's head to be a part of the budgeting phase, and then we had the opportunity to be part of the detail engineering phase, and now the opportunity to be through the final phase.
Just being asked to come back and work on subsequent projects for a client, I mean, that's sort of like the ultimate compliment, isn't it?